जय हिंद एवरीवन। ओम सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामया, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चिद् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। ओम शांति शांति शांतिः। इस श्लोक का अर्थ है सभी सुखी होवे, सभी रोग मुक्त रहे, सभी मंगलमय घटनाओं के साक्षी बने और किसी को भी दुख का भागी ना बनना पड़े।
Hello students. So today we are going to learn a poem Abu Ben Edhem. Okay, so this poem is about a saint and one incident what happened in his life. Let's start. First of all, we will see the hard words, means word meaning. Tribe. Tribe means a group of people living as one community. Here the word tribe means people of the same class or quality. Rich. Here it means beautiful. Normally rich means paise wale, right? Okay, but here rich means beautiful. Lily. A plant with large white flowers. We all know about the lily flowers. Lily in bloom. A flowering lily plant. Exceeding peace. Bold. Abu's heart was full of peace, so he was not afraid on seeing the angel. He spoke to the presence quite boldly. Presence, a person or spirit that you cannot see, but you can feel it is there. Vision, the view of some heavenly body. Accord means peace. Accord means peace cheerily, cheerfully. Vanished, disappeared. All the rest, all others. Now you all have to write this word meaning in your English notebook with neat and clean handwriting. Okay, now let's start the poem. This poem is written by Lee Hunt. Abu Ben Adam, may his tribe increase, awoke one night from a deep dream of peace. And so, within the moonlight in his room, making it rich and like a lily in bloom, an angel writing in a book of gold. Exceeding peace had made Ben Adam bold, and to the presence in the room he said, "What writest thou?" The vision raised its head, and with a look made of all sweet accord, answered the names of those who loved the Lord. "And is mine one?" said Abu. "Nay, not so," replied the angel. Abu spoke more low, but cheerily still, and said, "I pray thee, then write me as one that loves his fellow man." The angel wrote and vanished. The next night it came again with a great wakening light. and showed the names whom love of God had blessed. And lo, Ben Adam's name laid all the rest. See, this poem is about an incident which happened with a saint. Now let's see what is their meaning. Above Ben Adam is a poem by Leigh Hunt, a key figure of the Romantic movement in England. The poem focuses on an event in the life of the Sufi saint Ibrahim bin Adham. The full name is Ibrahim bin Adham. Now we are saying it Abu Ben Adham. Ben Adham encounters an angel who is writing a record of those who love God. बेन एदम ने क्या देखा? उन्होंने देखा कि एक एंजल जो है वो लिस्ट में कुछ लिख रहे हैं. सो उन्होंने उनको पूछा कि आप क्या लिख रहे हो. तो एंजल ने आंसर क्या दिया? एंजल ने आंसर दिया कि मैं उन लोगों के नाम लिख रहा हूं जो गॉड की लिस्ट में, जो गॉड को लव करते हैं उस लिस्ट में सबसे ऊपर है. Learning his name isn't on this list. जब उन्होंने पूछा बेन एदम ने कि क्या मेरा नाम है उसमें, तो एंजल ने कहा नहीं, आपका नाम तो नहीं है. तो अब बेन एदम ने क्या आंसर दिया? बेन एदम इंस्ट्रक्ट्स द एंजल टू मार्क हिम डाउन एज वन हु लव हिज फेलो मैन. बेन एदम ने क्या कहा कि आप एक काम करो, तो आप मेरा नाम आप उस लिस्ट में लिख लो कि जो भगवान के यानी कि गॉड के जो सारे फेलो पर्सन है, सारे मीन्स के गॉड को जो लव करते हैं उन लोगों को जो नाम है उसमें आप मेरा नाम लिस्ट कर दो. तो एंजल ने हाँ बोला और एंजल वहां से गायब हो गए. द नेक्स्ट नाइट द एंजल रिटर्न्स विथ अ सेकेंड लिस्ट, those who are blessed by God. Ben Adam's name is at the top this time, suggesting that God favors those who love their fellow human beings. Indeed, that love for other people is the best way to express love for God. फिर नेक्स्ट नाइट पे वापस से उनको ये ड्रीम आया और उन्होंने देखा कि वो जो एंजल थे वो लिस्ट के साथ वापस आया और उन्होंने बोला कि नाउ योर नेम इज ऑन द टॉप ऑफ द लिस्ट. आपका नाम जो है वो लिस्ट के टॉप में है. वाई? बिकॉज गॉड उन लोगों को सबसे ज्यादा लव करते हैं जो गॉड ने जो दूसरे ह्यूमन बींग्स बनाए हैं उन लोगों को लव कर रहे हैं. ओके, तो भगवान को लव करने का सबसे अच्छा रास्ता क्या है कि भगवान ने जिन लोगों को बनाया है, ह्यूमन बींग्स को बनाया, हम उन्हें लव करें. Hunt is not particularly well known for his poetry and is better remembered for his role in facilitating the work of the other poets at the time. Above Ben Adam is one of the handful of Hunt's poems still commonly see. ये जो पोएट है वो ऐसे बहुत सारी उन्होंने पोएम लिखी है और उसमें से ये जो एक पोएम है वो उनकी बेस्ट वन में से मानी जाती है. ओके, नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, you have to write all the question answers in your notebook, but I'll do this exercise in class. Okay, so after that you have to write. Today just you will write only word meaning. Question answers and exercise we will learn in our class. Okay students, bye bye.